Hello class 8th student, it's a part 9 conservation of forest. Means as we know that forests are the main resources by which we get lot of things. So it's our moral duty to conserve the forest. So how we conserve this? There are an urgent need to take action and protect the forest cover, because it's a need of time that we have to protect the forest. Some believe that to overcome the consequences of deforestation, one has to simply plant more trees. Means some people are thinking this, that for overcome this problem one have to simply planting tree, but this would not help you. Means it will help in a small way, in a small extent, but the deforestation problem is a wider. It could not be cope up with the help of planting trees only. It would not solve all the problems. Some of measures also taken to conserve forest, those are discussed below. Means planting more and more tree. By beside it you have to use two things also. What are they? First one is the afforestation. It is the growing of forest on land that have not been forest for a while. It could be because of the poor quality of soil. For example, agricultural land that are left uncultivated for a long time can be slowly converted by growing trees. It is a slow and labor intensive process but an effective method for conservation of forest. It means afforestation done where the never be the plant due to the uncultivated land, or we can say the unfertile soil. Means some places are there where the land is not cultivated, we are unable to grow some plants or the crop there, or the soil will be unfertile. Then at that place it is a very difficult task to produce plants, but it's not impossible task. Although it's a labor intensive process, it means you have to do so hard work for this. But when we get it result after our long term practice, we get the effective result. Okay, we get the effective result. Means we can see there the greenery for a land which is bare from a long time. There will be no trees and no crops, and by our hard work we can grow their plants. That is known as the afforestation. Means the place where there never be the plant before, but we try some, we are working hard and planting trees at that place. That is known as the afforestation. The second thing is that is reforestation. Means a place where the forest is done in the earlier time, where the forest is present in the before time, but due to some environmental conscious or by the human activity or by any natural disaster, forests are not present at that time. Means at the time before there will be the forest, but after the using the forest without thinking and cutting down of the tree, these leads to the deforestation at that place. So what we done? We are growing of trees in forests that were recently destroyed by the forest fire or illegal cutting down of the trees. Okay, this is known as the reforestation. Means further, dobara. So we have to start growing the plant and crop at the place which is recently don't have any plant and crops. That is known as the reforestation. Some more thing is that illegal logging of timber has to be prevented. Means illegal logging means Illegal logging of timber means without using or for the getting economically or the financially strong, some peoples cutting down the timber illegally. There will be no need to cutting down such type of timber, such type of trees if you don't use. But what they do, they actually cutting down these without thinking, illegally cutting down the trees. So the government or our efforts pay attention over it, and they have to cause a law and start a law for preventing this thing. So by this illegal logging of timber will be stopped. The next is that there has to be planned and regulated felling of trees for various commercial purpose. Means we need know this thing that we can't live without the forest. We need wood as well as other product also. We know this thing, but it should be regulate manner. It should be regulate or plan. Means without thinking in a illegal way, we need not to cut down the trees. So by a planning or by a regulated manner, we can cut down to give some things from the forest. Okay, so there will be a restricted amount, there will be a planned way for cutting down them, so we could conserve the forest in this way. The next thing is that forest fire have to be prevented as they lead to mass destruction of forest. Means sometimes we know this thing that forest fire is done by self and it leads to the in a huge amount destruction, means in a large amount destroying the forest. They can caused naturally by lightning or friction between trees during dry seasons or by man. Means it could be done naturally by the lightning, means thunder and lightning phenomena we see it is. Sometimes light is fell down at that forest season and it caught the fire, or sometimes the friction works between trees during the dry seasons or by the man. So we can also overcome by this process, but not in a fully way. Means forest department can help in to regular check of the temperature of the forest. So we could do some efforts, but it cannot be completely restricted because it's a natural phenomena. The next thing is that setting up national park and sanctuaries is an effective way to reduce cutting down the trees. Means some national park or the sanctuaries are announced by the government, so nobody could go there, nobody cutting down the trees, and it would be a safe place for the animals and the plant. So it is a effective way to reduce the cutting down of the trees. So in this way we conserve the forest. Thank you class. We continue in the next part.